all doing today? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something fun. This is my second set that I'm going to be filming for you guys with these Nail Reserve LA colors. These colors have me in a chokehold. I want to do a little bit of ombre, a little bit of freestyle, just something fun and fall and fabulous. Like, was that corny? Because sometimes I'm a little corny. Each finger I wanted to do something a little different. So on this finger we're gonna have a raggedy ombre because I'm too stubborn to buy an ombre brush, even though I really need one. So I just mix my colors together with the brush and then I wipe my brush off so I don't get any brown in my orange. But that's just my method. I do think I should use an ombre brush though. Ombre, yeah. This was my favorite nail. I went in with this plum color from Nail Reserve, which is so cute. I went in with this color and it looked so complimentary under my brown polygel. It just looks so good. But this video is not about the brown polygel, but if you want the brown polygel, it'll be linked below. But yeah, let's get into this blend. Courtesy of my sticks. Shout out to Tips from Teagues. She is that girl that's constantly helping me keep my polygel game strong. She has all the updated tips, tricks. You can ask her questions because I noticed, I'm not gonna say I know, I'm gonna say I noticed that polygel is really popular like outside of America. Like it's very popular outside of America. Like people in Africa have been using polygel. People in Brazil have been using polygel. I think us Americans are just late to the polygel party because I just found out about polygel within like the last 2-3 years. So yeah, shout out to Tips from Teagues. She's actually from South Africa and she gives me all my tips that I give to you guys, you know? Well, not all of them, but when it comes to how not to get a polygel bubble and using the stick to blend out your polygel, yeah, I got those tips from Teagues. Now I'm going in and throwing up my gang signs so I can file these nails and get them looking crisp and sharp for you all. And for myself, because I'm going to go outside with my one hand so I can take my pictures and stuff. When I come back, like the next frame is going to be me all filed up because of course I ran out of storage and I wasn't able to film my nail drill portion. But it's okay. That's the nail drill. That's the work it did. There's the artist. There's the art. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my favorite, my Madam Glam top coat because you know we want glass. That's what we want over here, glass. Okay, so getting that into all my curves and crevices so that we won't have any crusties. And yeah. There is one thing that I do want to learn how to stop from happening. I know how to not get like a polygel bubble, as in like a polygel pimple that you get when you don't fully cure your polygel. Like I know how to avoid those, but the actual bubbles in my polygel, like, oh my God, they annoy me. And when I asked Teagues about it, she had said, oh, you know, maybe there's too much air in your tube, or you're squeezing the tube too much, or the tube is running low, like there's not enough polygel in the tube, like I'm using a tube that's almost finished. So that's not the case for me. I don't use my polygels down to the bone. I usually have a pretty full bottle and I store them. Maybe it's how I store them. I do store them upright. Could that be an issue? Not upright, upside down. Like the lid is in the air and they're all stuffed into my organizer. So I don't know. All I know is I want to know how to stop getting those. If you guys know how to stop getting the actual surface bubbles, leave it in the comments below because I am super curious and my middle finger is suffering. Do you guys see the bubbles? Like, I don't know how to avoid those. And I don't have that problem in my thumbnail. So Now we're all cured. Look at this design, guys. I gotta say my favorite nail is my pointer finger, my thumb, and my pinky. I'm not too fond of the nails that got bubbles in the surface. But yes, you guys can do your nails just like this. Do my same nail design. It's really cute. I got a lot of compliments on my one hand. And yeah, why not? Why not try this? I feel like fall designs, Halloween design, this can serve as both kind of. It does give a little costume. It has a little costume look. Like, I feel like these could be Halloween nails and fall nails. So yeah, you have multi-purpose nails. I absolutely love these charms that I ordered from Amazon. I'm going to link them in the description box. I'm going to have a couple of goodies linked in the description box. But yes, with Mama Cart Rhinestone Glue, as always, I'm going to go in and start putting on these charms. My homegirls refer to these as the Chrome Hearts charms, although they're not made by the brand Chrome Hearts. These the cross is similar to the symbol, the logo for the Chrome Hearts, the cross that they use. So my girlies went crazy when I got these. So I have a couple more uploads for you guys, and I'm gonna be using these charms because people are going crazy. But look how cute they came out. Look at them. Look at them. Aren't they adorable? What sucks is that I'm totally going to pop these off after, but I do hope that someone asks for a nail design similar to this. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like this video, share it with somebody who might like it.